Good afternoon, student. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with a topic that we are discussing here on this platform. On my YouTube channel, you will see that I have started the topic statistics, as I have already told you about the basic terms of the statistics. Now, today I will solve the question related to statistics. The first question is mean by direct method. As you know that finding mean of a group data, there are three methods for standard 10, and the first method of this is called direct method, second method is called assuming method, and the third method is called step deviation method. Method is not anything, it is just about the some new way of calculation. As you know that in some question you will see that there are lots of calculation while going to direct method. So to minimize these types of calculation, there will be some other method that is called assuming method and step deviation method. Here you will see how the calculation. The first question is that the class interval is given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and the frequency interval corresponding to each class interval has given. Now we have to find the mean. So first of all, we have to find xi. What is xi? Xi is the class mark of each class interval. That is the midpoint of each class interval. As you know that the mid position of 0 to 10 is 5. So first one. Here, how you will find the class mark? The the formula is this one. Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2 is the formula. But without going to formula, you can easily calculate that. What is the midpoint of this one? बीच का point में आपका कौन सा आएगा number? That is 5. That is the very easiest thing. So no need to use the formula every time. The second, how you will find this one? How you will find the xi of this one? Just add 10 here. Just add 10 here. So it will be 15. Why 10? Because there are common difference. That is 10 is the common difference in each class interval. That's why we have to add this one here. For this one we have to 10 here 25. For this one we have to 10 here 35. For this one we have to 10 add here 45. Now for direct method we have to multiply fi xi. So it will be fi into xi. So 8 5 are 40, 12 into 15, 180, 25 into 10, 250, 35 into 11, 385. Now 45 into 9. So as you know that 45 tens are, that is 450, and 450 minus 45, that will be the 45 into 9, that is 405. So this is the multiplication. Now we have to add here. So 0, 0, 5, 5, 5, 0, 10, 5, 8, 5, 13, 13, 5, 18, 18, or 8, 26, 2, 3, 3, 2, 5, 5, 3, 8, 8, 8, 4, 12. Now add of this one 20, 30, 30 and 20, 50. This is the total of this one. Now we have to use the formula, that is mean. Mean is equal to sum of fi xi divided by sum of fi, that will be 1260 divided by 50. Now 0 0 cancel out, it will be 126 divided by 5, this will be 25.2. that is the mean of this group data. Okay, so this is the method to find a mean by direct method. This will be the direct method. Through direct method you will be find here. Now let's go to the next method, that is the assuming method. Now see student, this is the question. Now this question I will solve by assuming method. This question I have to find mean, and this is the question. So first of all, here also we have to find xi for finding the mean in each criteria. Assuming method while step deviation method. First of all, you have to find the xi, class mark of each interval. Here the midpoint of this one, middle number, it will be the 53. Now the gap is 2, add 2 here, 55, 57, 59, 61, 63, now 65. This is the x item. Now we have to assume a mean place. So first of all we will count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There is a 7th term. So middle of this we have to go in the middle position. So it will be 59 will be the middle position of this one. 1, 2, 3. 3 will be removed from this one. This side it will be 59. So 59 is the assumed mean position. Now what do we will? First of all we will write di. You can write anything dm. You can write, but I will be used here. I for interval. I will be used here just because of I means interval. Okay. Now after a, putting a corresponding to a, put 0. Now see what is the gap of here? That is 2. So while going to upside we will add -2 in each part, and while going to downside we will add 2 in each segment. So for this one it will be -2, for this one it will be -4, for this one it will be -5, -6. Okay, 2, 4, 6. Now for this one it will be 2, for this one it will be 4, for this one it will be 6. Okay, this is the total things. And now first of all we have to find fi di. So 18 6 are how much? 18 6 are 108. Okay, this one 18 into 6 it will be -108. 21 into 4 it will be -8 4. 17 into 2 that will be -34. 28 into 0 that will be 0. 16 into 2 32. Now 35 into 4 140. Now 15 into 6 that will be 90. So this is the thing. Now add all the plus term and add all the negative term at one side, then we will subtract each other and get the final answer. So while adding all positive terms there will be a 2, 9, 3, 12, 4, 16, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 6, 2, again minus after while the solar 6, 9 in bar 2, again here 1, 1, 2, 2 to 6. It will be 2 to 6. Now 262 minus 2 to 6. The difference will be 262 minus 266. 6 minus 2 that will be there will be a 6. 12 minus 6 6. 5 minus 2 3. 36. Now add all of this one. 8.9 also 0 to 4 5 7 7 1 8 8 2 10 10 1 11 11 3 14 14 1 15 1 51 5 0. This is the sum of fi di. Now mean. Here you need only 3 things. Here you need, in the direct method you need only 2 things, that is sum of fi di. In assuming method you need only 3 things, that is one will be a, that is this one. Second will be sum of this one, that will be called sum of fi di. Again the third will be fi, sum of fi. Only 3 things you need to this one. Now put the value of a, that is 59. Now fi di, that is 36 divided by 150. 36 divided by 150. While you will divide this one, 36 divided by 0, it will be 59 plus 0.24. If it is centimeter, then you have to write, if it centimeter, then we have to write centimeter. Here in the question it is given in kg, so we have to write kg also. So mean is this one. Okay, in question there will be a unit is given, so as per the question you need to draw, you need to put the unit. Okay, now let's move to the next part, that is a step deviation. So a student, this is the question, and this question I have solved by step deviation method. Again we have to find xi, that is gas amount of each gas interval. So as you know that you can easily predict that between 0 to 50 the middle position will be 25. Now as there is a common difference of 50, so add 50 here, it will be 75. It will be 75. For this one it will be 125. For this one it will be 175. Again for this one it will be 225. Now for this one it will be 275. Okay, after this we have to put a. So first of all we will count 1 2 3 4 5 6. The middle position will be, the left will be 2, and this one we can pick 125 as well as 175. You can pick 125 also as well as 175. Result will not be deflected in any case. So but in most practice form the smallest one is 125, so I will put a here. The smallest one will be put a here. Here now again we have to put one column, and naming will be the di. So corresponding to a will be 0. Now this time while going to above the 0 we will put -1 -2 the counting number, and while going to downward 0 we will put 1 2 3 4 5 the counting number. So here it will be -1, for this one -2, 1 2, now 3. This is the thing. Now after this you have to make a column and put the naming will be FIDI. Again 17 2s are -34, 35 1s are -35, 43 into 0 that will be 0, 40 into 1 40, 21 into 2 42. Now 24 into 3 72. Add all the plus sign, 2 2 4 4 7 4 11 4 15 154 minus 5 4 9 3 3 6 154 minus 69. We have to first add, subtract 154 minus 69, it will be 85. It will be 85. So after this one you have to add all this, so that is 0 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 8 8 4 12 12 4 16 or 2 180. This is the total of FI, that will be the 180. Now here you need only 4 terms. In assuming method you need 3 terms to find mean. In a step deviation method you need 4 terms. The first term will be the same as like assuming method A. The extra term there will be the height of each class interval, that is h. Now the third term will be this one, that is called sum of FIDI, and the fourth one will be the sum of FI, this one. So put the value of A, that is 125. Now h, that is 50. Now sum of FIDI, that is 85. Sum of F1, that is 80. So here 0 will be cancelled out. 125 plus 5 5 plus 25, 5 8 plus 40 plus 2 42, 80. After dividing 425 divided by 80, you will get the result as 23.61. So while adding both things, it will be 534 to 2. This one 148.61. That is the mean. Now the unit this time given is, the unit is here it is not given in the unit form, so we have to leave that term. No need to put the limit here or unit here. So student, this is the method of finding mean, as you have seen already. In my next video you will see that some other questions of mean. Total there are 5 questions. If you will revise all 5 questions, 5 types of questions, so it will be enough for getting a good marks or getting a good marks in the mean, median, mode section. So let's wait for my next video. Till that, have a good day. Take care. Thanks for watching my video. Share among all the need one, all your relatives, all your this one. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good day. Take care. God bless you.